Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chanel has been launching some absolutely amazing new and reformulated product, but what's actually being discontinued? And Chanel is doing that very quietly. Sadly, we are saying goodbye to one of my favorite foundation, the Ultra Le Teint Velvet, that is a self-setting matte foundation. I did a review last year when the product got released in the UK. I think it's been out for just over a year and a half. And it's a shame because it is a beautiful formula. It's completely matte. It's great if you have an oily skin. It's self-setting. It is so blurring. It smooths out everything. And sadly, it is being discontinued. In some website, in some market, I can already tell you, and I think in the US, if I'm not mistaken, it is out of stock and it's just no longer available on Chanel website. If you are lucky enough, maybe you can go at your counter or in some department stores where you can stock up if the foundation is something that is of interest to you or if this is one of your favorite. I've been using it. I'm thinking of repurchasing at least one to keep in my stock because I really like the foundation. I think it's great and I like the format. It's in that plastic bottle that you'd shake. It's the same format as the Vita Lumiere, who is no longer with us as well. So it's a shame because I think these are great products. I do understand that behind it, Chanel is releasing new product with different technologies. So we are seeing a wave of discontinuation with a wave of new product. But sadly, we have to say goodbye to the Velvet Ultra Le Teint. The Chanel Cream Bronzer as well is being slowly replaced. In the UK and in Europe, a new version has been released last summer. I know it took a long time for it to reach North America and some different markets. I believe now that it is the older formula, not the one with the coconut oil of 2 years ago, but the original formula is pretty much already gone. So if you are lucky enough, if you preferred the previous formula, the original formula, go stock up. I prefer the newest formula. It's a little bit more blurring. It's a gel formula. It's beautiful onto the skin. It's quite matte. It's got a beautiful luminosity. It's a rich product. Equally great, I would say, for oily skin if you set it with a loose powder. I do like the new formula, but if you do prefer the previous and the original formula, go stock up because it is being discontinued and replaced with the new gel formula equally. Other product that has been discontinued, the Chanel lip gloss. So we now have the new Rouge Coco Hydra Gloss on one side, and on the other side we have the older version of the Chanel iconic lipstick. The formula is completely different. I did a full review on them as well. The formula is completely different. I have to say the shades are different. The formula is different. I don't want to talk too much about them because I did a full review. But if you are preferring something that is a true lip gloss, Chanel has never really had a sticky formula, but it's definitely a lip gloss. It's a little bit more glossy, wet on the lips. It's a little bit more creamy versus the new formula, who is very much like a lip oil that has that super shine mirror effect. Extremely light onto the lips, not sticky at all, but by definition, it's much closer to a lip oil than the previous formula. On the website, you can no longer purchase the older formula. However, in boutiques and in department stores, you will still be able to purchase the older formula. It's not gonna last long. I think people are stocking up. Definitely people are stocking up. So if you want to stock up on the previous formula, don't wait too long because it's going fast. There are also a lot of shades of the Chanel Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue, beautiful lipstick that are being discontinued or not being replaced. This is just me having a big guess here, and my gut feeling is telling me I don't think they're gonna change necessarily the formula, but I think they are coming out with new shades and not replacing the older shades. I think Chanel is going through a massive revamp of this whole makeup collection, basically. Like they did last year with the Ombre Essentielle, they got discontinued, and then last year they launched about 12 new shades, and then we've had new shades throughout the year since then. I have every single shade. I think it's a beautiful collection, but Chanel is doing that every now and then. Same with some mascaras as well. Some are being discontinued and some are being launched as new products. Let's move on to what are the absolute must-have products at Chanel that have been around for a while, and I think that you should probably invest in them maybe before they get discontinued as well. And speaking of products that are so good, let me talk to you about my new necklace from Idol. This is sponsored by Idol. I have to say I absolutely love Idol jewelry. Look at this absolutely beautiful new necklace. It is gorgeous. I think for summer it's delicate, it's beautiful with a small dress like I am wearing now, or a nice shirt. I went for something rose gold, a little bit different, but equally I really like that very subtle pop of color. If you are looking to upgrade or add a few new pieces of jewelry, go see Idol. It's definitely a more sustainable way of buying jewelry because they are diamond grown in a lab. Another thing that I really like at Idol is how you can stack your jewelry. I now have a few pieces and I just love how you can, you know, layer your earrings, you can layer bracelet, rings, you can layer your necklaces, you can create and make it your own, which is so cool. If you want to bring your own signature, Idol is definitely the brand for you. Go have a look. And also, whenever you subscribe, you purchase online, you create your account and you accumulate points, and points means that you save money down the line because you can you can redeem your points towards any purchase. As usual, all the links will be down below in the description. Go have a look. They have some beautiful, and also not just beautiful, they are timeless pieces. They are very feminine, they are very elegant. And also, look at this nice pouch. So whenever you receive your jewelry, it's gonna come in a nice bag that you can reuse, either a gray pouch or a beige off-white pouch. They are perfect to be put in your bag if you are traveling, gym bag, your day bag, whatever. Amazing. And they've also sent me a key and card holder. This is so handy if you are traveling, or if you're just like me. I tend to change bag every now and then, so I can just grab everything, put it into one smaller bag, and that way I'm sure I'm not gonna forget anything behind. I'm sure you're gonna find a piece that really just talks to you, that, you know, is the right piece for you. Going back to Chanel makeup, some products that are still worth for you to purchase. I'm gonna start with the Chanel Water Fresh Touch Complexion Foundation. It's kind of a hybrid between a skin tint and a foundation. It is truly one of the most beautiful hybrid foundation skin tint that you can find. The way that the product is made, the formula, it's water base with micro droplets of formula of foundation in the formula. It gives you that fresh face look. It's super light, it's super hydrating. If you have more of an oily skin, you can set it with a loose powder and a setting spray. You can build it, you can use it as, you know, correcting a few points here and there onto your face. You can mix two shades together. It's such a beautiful and versatile formula. I've just finished mine. I will be repurchasing it. I think it's probably one of the must-have at Chanel in my opinion. Staying with the face, obviously the Chanel Cream Bronzer. It doesn't matter if you prefer the previous version, the original or the new version. I think despite the formula, it is one of the most beautiful cream bronzer. If you'd like to have something a little bit more elevated, it's not orange. The shades, the new shades are really well done. even better than the Dior stick bronzer because Dior is leaning really warm, whereas Chanel, I think you can find something a little bit more cool-ish undertone, neutral. I think there's a little bit more for everyone. It's definitely another must-have at Chanel. Same goes with the Baume Essentiel. The formula is so specific, is so beautiful. It's just gonna give you that sheer kind of glass skin look without being over the top. Blush, the Joue Contrast is by far one of the most iconic products at Chanel after the nail polish. I'll come back to the nail polish. The Joue Contrast, I have so many shades here. There's a shade for everyone. They are so finely milled. It's never patchy. It's never going to peel, crease. It stays, it's non-fading. I see a lot of new blushes with new technology. It is not the most blurring blush, to be fair and to be very honest with you, but I just think how luminous they are, how they just hold on to your skin. It gives you a very soft and buildable pop of color. All the shades are just beautifully vibrant. They look somewhat natural and they give you that really nice healthy look. I think probably one of the most sold lip product at Chanel is Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue. It's definitely one of the most popular one. It's the most long-lasting lip gloss formula. It's a 2 lipstick or lip gloss system. You put the shade first and then you apply your gloss. You seal, literally you seal the color into place with a polymer that just locks in the color for up to 16 hours. It's not gonna fade, it's not gonna crease, it's not gonna go anywhere. There are 21 shades available. However, a lot of shades are being discontinued and not replaced, so it's something that I would say stock up onto it. Otherwise, for me, the Rouge Coco, it's an iconic lipstick. It's a new formula, not as shiny as before, a little bit more, it's still very creamy, still very shiny, but less shiny and creamy as before. That means it stays longer into place. You know, at some point you gotta give some to get some. I think that's a little bit what's happening here. All the new shades are fabulous, but you do not have the same shade as you used to have. The new mascara, the tubing mascara, there are 3 shades available. One of them is limited edition. It's the golden brown for summer. The deep brown that I've purchased very recently is pretty much out of stock everywhere. So you need to go in store and see wherever it's available. And the black shade is available. It is by far one of the best tubing mascara I have tried. It's not going to budge, it's not going to smudge, it's not going to go anywhere, and it's super easy to remove. That's what I'm wearing. It's gonna give you definition, length, it's gonna give you volume. The shades are beautiful. So nail polish, a big yes. I think they are beautiful, long lasting. They give you that gel finish kind of look onto your nails. Now I am so curious, guys, what are for you your holy grail? What are you sad to see going at Chanel? If you are new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for being here. Everything I talked about that is available will be listed down below for your convenience. I will also have a look at the older formula of those products. If they are available, I'll make sure I put the link down below for your convenience. Same with the jewelry, everything will be listed down below for your convenience. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and engaging. Let's keep the conversation going, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.